Hello everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the world without a tour guide, but still want to know what you're looking at, this video is for you. I just got back from a trip to Rome where I used Google Gemini as my personal AI travel companion. And honestly, it blew my mind. So picture this. I'm standing in front of the Colosseum. I don't have a guidebook, no headphones, no tour app, just my phone. I snap a picture of the structure using Google's Gemini app, and within seconds, it's giving me a full explanation of what I'm seeing. Not just, this is the Colosseum. I'm talking about historical context, how it was used, architectural details, and even some lesser known facts. And it didn't stop there. Everywhere I went, Trevi Fountain, Roman Forum, Spanish Steps, I take a photo, drop it into Gemini, and ask questions like, what's the story behind this? Or when was this built? Gemini would respond with a clear conversational explanation like a local guide would, except it was tailored to my curiosity. I could even follow up with questions like, who commissioned the sculpture or why is it important? And Gemini kept the conversation going. Now, here's how you can do the same. Start by opening the Gemini app on your phone. It's available on Android and also integrated into the Google app for iPhone users. Tap the camera icon and either upload a photo or take one on the spot. You can point at a monument, a painting, a historical building, really anything. Once the image is loaded, you can simply ask a question in natural language like, what is this? Or tell me the history of this place. Gemini uses Google's powerful AI to interpret image and respond with relevant, detailed information. It's like combining Google search, Wikipedia, and a local expert all in one. What's even cooler is that it works offline for saved queries, and you can pin your favorite responses to review later. I actually built my own walking tour of Rome this way, at my own pace, with no pressure, and fully guided by curiosity. And get this, Gemini even helped me order food. I took pictures of unfamiliar Italian menus, asked what do these dishes include, and Gemini broke them down in seconds. No awkward guessing, no surprise anchovies. It was like having a translator, a historian, and a local foodie all in one app. Using Gemini completely changed how I travel. I didn't have to follow a group or stick to a schedule. I just explored, asked questions when something caught my eye. If you're planning travel soon, especially to a city rich in history like Rome, give this a shot. It's like turning your phone into your own personal on-demand historian. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you next time.